Boy, go suck your mother, boy.
Jamaica, bomb clot.
Jamaican.
Do that.
Cold. She belongs to the street.
Shit.
Right.
Clot. Green card. Wagwan. Wagwan.
I love that song.
What? Which song?
Which
song you talking about?
Young boy.
Yes, a pussy bumbo clan.
Wagwan.
Wagwan. Where are you?
Huh?
Banana, you look good.
Jamaica, bomb clot. Okay, that's kind of racist. Bomb. That's actually kind of black. Bomb clot. That's still really racist. My dad's making bomb clot. I think that's still really racist. No, he's just shocked because I was actually kind of racist. No, my dad's making up. Doesn't make a difference. Doesn't make a difference. No, he's frozen. No, he's not. He was frozen for a second. Oh my gosh, that was slow. He wasn't frozen. He was standing still. For a second too. Yes, there was. So I'm around slow though. So I'm around here touching.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
You're talking like John Trump with that. I'm with retards. I'm with retards right now.
You got me.
Look for your mother, boy. Yeah.
What?
Look for your mother. Jamaica. Look for your mother, boy. Look like Kitty Ghost. John, you're not too total can help it up, blood.
Stop it. Get some help.
You're red. Damn, that's not real red as hell.
Oh, that brother looks. Oh, you look so you. You look so.
What?
You look sus, bro.
Gay.
Look sus, bro. You look like a batty boy. You look wild. You look wild. Who see you look wild, batty boy? You look like a fish. Yes, man. Look on the man, dog. Look on the man, dog. Don't worry about my hair waste, man. I got hair, bitch ass nigga. You got shit. Fuck you talking about. Look at your shit, nigga. Fuck you look like that. That nigga don't look straight. That nigga look fake, gay shit. I don't even know what you look like, nigga. Skip your mother, man. Skip your mother, man. You need to change it. Your man, you're trans. You're transformer, nigga. Yeah, blood clan transformer. Skip your mother. Skip your mother with a clip. Someone play for your mother clip, boy. Someone play with your mother clip. That man tell you, yeah. The mother is Jewish. She can pray upon this. So your mother gonna give me taking it.
Sorry.
My best friend said he didn't like my dimple.
Give me a kiss then.
No.
That waste, man. Be a slappy. When the mother and a mockers there, that big waste, man. Suck the mother too.
I walk one bossy.
Nah, chat here, girl. She want chat in a pussy. Me no want chat here. Yo, babes. Babes, walk one. Real Jamaican Batman and Rizz up in a baby. What are you doing?
You want a Jamaican Batman?
Yeah, real Jamaican bumbuckler Batman. Tell her, man. Brawling, man.
I'm Jamaican myself.
I don't care.
She's Jamaican.
Well, you don't want some black in your soul, mama?
You want some black in it?
Yeah, she wants some black in her.
She likes white.
White everything.
You Do not, yeah, tickler. Yeah, tickler, yeah, tickler, okay? Girls at all, that's crazy. Is you gonna suck my dick? You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to go crazy. Is you gonna get
He froze. No, he didn't.
What you mean why I do that? What the hell you heating up? What you hell you heating up, girl?
Air.
What's good though?
Nothing.
Yeah,
What's
man.
good?
Nah, like, but just there look on the toe on and see it.
You from Jamaica?
Yeah, mama. Don't know the badness come down.
I don't know what you're saying.
Nothing me I say, but now I don't look good and things still as it. Yeah,
You got
man.
Instagram?
I can get you. I know what you mean. I know what I'm just fucking with you. Like, yeah, you can't type your shit in.
What is it?
I don't know it on my head. Just type your shit in, girl.
Bro, I got you.
Where y'all from though?
I'm from LA. I'm from Hawaii.
Where is it?
Hawaii?
Hawaii. So you
No,
can
Hawaii.
Oh shit. Okay. So what if
You wanna eat some air?
I can get something to eat. There's no problem with that.
You can eat some air?
I'm gonna give you my hair. You feel me?
Question mark. How old are you?
I'm 19. How about you?
18. 18.
Alright, cool. For sure. So what you gonna do? What I gonna be doing after this? Like, what if I?
Huh?
What I gonna be doing after this?
Nothing. Where you at?
I'm in Jamaica. What?
That's your first day.
Why
Part,
you do
what
that
part?
shit? I still can't fly the fuck over there. What you trying to say?
Okay, I could. What part?
I'm in Kingston. Yeah. You know what they say about Jamaican niggas, right?
No. That you guys don't eat coochie?
Who said it? Who said
I
it?
don't know. I've just seen it all over TikTok that y'all don't eat coochie.
Yeah, we don't eat that coochie, but we got big dicks though, you feel me?
I figure, but that doesn't make up for not eating.
Yes, that shit make up. That shit gonna work for me. I know how to work my shit. Okay? Yeah.
Do you really though?
You serious?
Black T-boy there, man. Looks so you would.
You go fuck your mother.
Boy,
You
go suck
mash
your
up
mother,
your
boy.
face, Betty boy.
Hey, make your mother come suck a cock, you hear that? Biggie that boy.
You mash
See
up
all the
your face,
muckers,
Betty.
see the muckers there, one mucker out here, muckers.
Got it!
Hey girl,
You go-
see
you
she have
go
on
bed.
glass,
Why you
one mucker out.
go bed, baby?
You forgot be a batty boy, you forgot be a this and play a game like you're a waste man. You give that boy up, you gotta see you have girl for chat to you, for you raise up a girl because waste man and you say chat to man, you're a batty boy.
You dirty.
Batty boy.
Dirty.
You give that boy, yo babes,
You dirty. Be real.
babes.
Miles in the passage.
Psst, psst. Yo, mama with the glasses. Hey boy,
Shut
run
up,
man.
bitch.
Big batty boy, you mother bitch.
Fuck you, bitch. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Back the fuck up. If I knock the fuck out you.
Damn.
Hey.
Oh man, idiot, oh man. Fool, where do it fuck?
What?
Where do it fuck? You have sense?
Huh?
Your name food, where do it fuck?
I don't know what that means.
Big idiot boy, you fucking here now, while away, your name food.
Are you okay?
I'm not done. I'm just coming right now.
I'm gonna come. Oh.
Fuck. Well, you look so I'm not doing shit, so I don't know why you're looking at me.
You're a weirdo.
What the fuck? I'm a weirdo. You a weirdo.
You're a weirdo.
Your mind is smutty. That's the crazy shit. I'm not doing shit, so I don't know what you're trying to say.
I guess. I guess. I guess.
Hey, Melissa, then. Everybody hits Chris?
What?
Everybody hits Chris?
Come like you fuck man.
You motherfucker.
So you fuck man.
Or like,
Hola.
it's like Canadian French and French.
How you doing?
I'm good. How about you?
Where you from?
Canada. What about you?
I'm from Jamaica.
Cool. What's it like there?
It's great. You're looking so gorgeous right now. I'm not gonna lie.
Thank you.
Everything's perfect. Perfecto.
My nigga.
Yeah. So how you doing?
I'm playing a game on my iPad.
Oh shit. Okay, cool.
Basic B.
Right. Huh?
A basic B.
So what's that you drinking? Like where I drink?
Wine with an ice cube.
Shit, that shit. It's gonna be like soft this shit. It's not gonna taste good. Like
No, I like it cold.
oh shit. Okay.
Yeah. It's not super weird. I've asked for a
No,
restaurant
I'm not saying it's
before.
weird. I'm not saying weird. Yo, how old you is though?
Can you tell me how to say like something like Jamaican or what's it called?
Who the hell is this nigga?
Where you born, brother? Where you born?
What's up?
Where you smoke?
Say that again.
So where you smoke?
Weed.
Sure you not coke? Sure you not coke you born?
I smoke weed a lot. Jamaican.
Brother, who just said that? Who said that?
Jamaica, I'm skipping ya.
You, mama. Fine shit.
Huh?
You look good, man. I lie. You look good, mama.
Thank you. Oh.
Where your name?
Huh?
What's your name, bro?
What's your name? Yeah. Yeah, my G. Respect for that. Respect for that, bro. Cause she don't
No,
understand.
I don't.
She don't understand Jamaican talking.
My name is Zanaya. What's your name?
My name Giovanni. Feel me?
Oh, that's cute.
So where you from?
Hmm?
Where you from?
I'm from Philly.
Type shit. Where you smell so what? You smell so much.
That's me. Like,
Come on, man. That's too easy.
You know what Kai Sonnet say? You know, girls will love laugh. We make your boom boom smile. We make your boom boom sing sometime. La 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 la. It was the magnificent. Be good, get represent.
They forgot that I'm him.
no, you don't know what the movie is?
I'm trying to watch you, baby. I'm trying to watch you. Feel me? That's all I need right now. That's all I need.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah. You ever talked to a Jamaican nigga before?
So, right?
Huh?
Look, listen, right? So, my dad is Jamaican, my mom is Indian. But, like, I can understand it, like, patois and all that, but, like, I can't speak not a lick of it.
I know you can't talk nothing. Yeah. I understand me not say nothing. Me can't teach you, see?
But I think I'm there for my birthday.
What you say?
I think I'm gonna come down there for my birthday.
Yep.
All in your stomach. Pick all in your stomach.
I'm not like.
This might sound crazy, but like I'm Jamaican, but I love African food.
Somebody said
Like,
no problem with that. I got no problem with that shit.
I literally just had Jamaican food. I think yesterday I had some oxtails with some butter beans and some what is it? It was macaroni and they made candy yams too.
What? I'm not gonna lie. I would choose curry goat over oxtails.
Yeah, Corey Bud, hallelujah, man.
Like I don't know. I just feel like
No, go.
So what we doing? What we doing? What we doing?
What do you mean? Elaborate.
What we doing? Elaborate. Trying to get your number. You feel me? So we can chop up all this shit. You feel me?
You don't have it.
Yeah. What's your type? Cause I'm brown skin. I'm not cap with you. You feel me? I'm a brown skin nigga. I'm a brown skin nigga. You feel me?
Did you tattoo?
Yeah, fuck it did. Like, I got shit on this. I got some shit on here, and
Nah, I got this. I got my under boob. I got one on the side of my butt, and I got my big thing.
I know you got that shit too.
Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook.
You from Jamaican? What the fuck is he staring? Are you from Jamaica? Do you speak?
Bumbuckler.
Huh? You said Bumbuckler.
Kyle and I'm front. Stop me on the front, youth. Don't do it. But he boy, I look for a man on a hoodie.
Yeah, bro.
Batty boy.
Batty girl.
You wanna get some girl na Batty boy? Get some girl na.
Oh, Jamaican? Jamaican, okay.
Wagwan.
Get some girl, man, dog. 2 honest dip and say no girl, no, right? The fuck?
No girl, bro. No
2
girl,
black
no
nigga.
girl.
That's crazy.
Yo, you know, but, bro, it's straight dudes here, bro.
John, no bitches, man. Find some bitches, dog. Enough bitches dip on the app, man.
I don't know what's going on.
No girls at all.
Gay.
Huh?